Hey everybody, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I have given any kind of update on what's going on with the SQ5, but as you can see, something finally got delivered today. I've only been waiting about 6 weeks for them, and we are going to pull them out here in a second and take a look for the first time. Stay tuned. Okay, like always, the production value, of course, is not very high because I'm just getting you information. So these are the new wheels for the SQ5. They are BC Forged, as you can see. Let's just have a look. Very nicely packaged for sure. All right. Look at that. This is the BC Forged RZ05 21 by 10s plus 32. The finish on these are brushed black. And they are pretty lightweight, I must say. And we'll get a little scale out here in a few and we will weigh them and see what they do weigh. But these are the deep concave. I could have gone super deep in the rear and just deep in the front, but I wanted to be able to rotate them, and I didn't want a staggered tire setup and everything else, so this was just easier, but this is going to look pretty sick. Let's get the scale. Okay, this is not going to be very scientific because all I do have is a house scale, so let's see what they weigh according to this. Let's see if it 26 pounds is what it read. I don't know if I got it in there fast enough, but when I get them swapped, we'll see what the factory wheels weigh. So one of the reasons I went with this finish is that I wanted a black finish, but I didn't want to lose any of the definition of the wheel. So I went with the brushed black. And the cool thing that I really like about this, and I don't know if you can pick it up, but in certain sunlight, it does have a bronze kind of hue tint to it. And I think that's gonna go fantastic with the Matador red. Well, that's it for now. It's the best I can do, that I have time for at least. So next steps is that I have a big weekend, probably here in 2-3 weeks, where I will be putting on the CETE module so I can control the height of the stock air suspension. So I can drop this way down. I've got paint matched from Tag Motorsports to get rid of those. And I do have a Maxton rear diffuser and front lip that I'm looking at ordering as well. So it's coming along, needs a bath, but man, I don't know if you can really make the concave out on these things, but man, they're gonna be fantastic on here. All right, everybody, till next time.